CFE exam prep. Let's get started. Fraud examiners should maintain. Is it A, objectivity and independence? Or B, advocacy for the client? Could it be C, confidentiality only if paid? Or lastly D, bias toward suspects? The correct answer is A. Here is why. Objectivity and independence are core ethical principles for CFEs. The examiner must be unbiased and free from conflicts that could compromise judgment. Option B can impair objectivity. Option C is unethical. Confidentiality is a duty. Option D is the opposite of objectivity. Next question. The U.S. Identity Theft and Assumption Deterrence Act criminalizes. Is it A, unauthorized use of identifying information to commit fraud? Or B, only corporate identity theft? Could it be C, credit report errors? Or lastly D, social media impersonation without fraud? The correct answer is A. Here is why. The Act makes it a federal crime to knowingly transfer or use, without lawful authority, a means of identification of another person with the intent to commit or to aid or abet any unlawful activity that constitutes a violation of federal law or a felony under state law. Option B is too narrow. Option C is not criminal under this act if not intentional fraud. Option D requires fraudulent intent. Next question. In expense report fraud, ghost receipts involve. Is it A, fabricated or altered receipts for non-existent expenses? Or B, legitimate business meals? Could it be C, company-provided travel cards? Or lastly D, pre-approved budgets? The correct answer is A. Here is why. Ghost receipts are completely fabricated or significantly altered documents created to support fraudulent expense claims for purchases or services that never occurred. Option B is legitimate. Option C is a payment method. Option D is a control, not a fraud type. Next question. A fraud triangle element strengthened by weak segregation of duties is. Is it A, rationalization? Or B, perceived opportunity? Could it be C, perceived pressure? Or lastly D, detection risk? The correct answer is B. Here is why. Weak internal controls, such as poor segregation of duties, directly increase the perceived opportunity to commit and conceal fraud. The fraudster believes they can exploit the control gap without getting caught. Options A and C are more related to individual circumstances. Option D is influenced by controls, but is not the triangle element. Next question. In U.S. civil fraud cases, the burden of proof is typically. Is it A, preponderance of the evidence? Or B, beyond a reasonable doubt? Could it be C, clear and convincing? Or lastly D, absolute certainty? The correct answer is A. Here is why. Civil cases, including those for fraud, generally require the plaintiff to prove their case by a preponderance of the evidence, more likely than not. Option B is the criminal standard. Option C is a higher standard used in some civil matters, e.g., fraud in some states. Option D is not a legal standard. Next question. Which data analysis detects unusual patterns in vendor payments? Is it A, Benford's law on amounts? Or B, stratification by vendor? Could it be C, both A and B? Or lastly D, gap testing only? The correct answer is C. Here is why. A combination of techniques is most effective. Benford's law A can find unnatural distributions in payment amounts. Stratification, B, e.g., ranking vendors by total payments, can highlight vendors with unexpectedly high activity. Using both provides a more comprehensive analysis. Option D, gap testing, is for finding missing items in sequences, not payment patterns. That's it for today. How many did you score? Let me know in the comments. Please like and subscribe, and tell me what topic I should cover next. Bye.